Hi everyone, welcome to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to create a Uber account. So for that, first of all, open the Uber application that you have downloaded. On this homepage of Uber, you need to tap on Get Started. Now to create an account on Uber, you will need to provide your phone number. You can also create account with Google, Apple, Facebook. If you click on this option, you will be creating your Uber account with just one tap. But here we're gonna go with the phone number process, so type in your phone number over here. Before that, you tap on the drop down menu and choose your country code. Once you choose your country code, you need to type in the number and then tap on continue. With this, a 4-digit code will be sent to the mobile number of yours. Once you receive that, you need to type in that code on the text box. You can see the code being sent to you. Now you copy this code and you paste it over here on this text box. Now you need to type in the email address of yours. Once you do that, you click on next. You need to type in your name. Type in your last name over here and then tap on next. Here you need to tap on the agree text box and then tap on next. So you need to provide your payment method, that is credit card or debit card or the cash. You can do this option later as well. Here in the credit and debit card, you will need to provide your card details. Once you do that, you will be able to make the payments easily. I'm just gonna skip this process, tap on do this later. You won't be able to request a ride without paying. Do it later. You can do it through the cash as well. And with that, you have created yourself a Uber account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.